Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and detaching everything. This prevents short circuits and accidental inputs. Once done, remove the rear screws with a tri-wing, then the smaller Phillips screws, keep them separated. You pry the shell gently with a spudger to expose the stick module. Do this slowly to avoid snapping tabs. You'll see the analog board and ribbon cables. Make sure to unclip the battery and cable connectors carefully, because that reduces risk of damage, while you move into cleaning and inspection. You now inspect the joystick PCB for debris, corrosion, or damage. This tells you whether cleaning will suffice. Next, use isopropyl 90% or higher on a toothbrush and cotton swab. Scrub the potentiometer area, then blow out particles with compressed air. Once clean, test the pot mechanically. If it's gritty or returns poorly, replace the entire stick module. If replacement requires soldering, desolder the old tabs, fit the new module, and solder clean joints. Make sure continuity and orientation match before reassembly. You reassemble by reconnecting ribbons and the battery, then reinstall screws in their original positions to avoid stripped threads. Once closed, power on and calibrate the sticks in system settings. Check dead zone and center position. If drift remains, perform a factory recalibration and retest. Sometimes software resets solve residual offsets. If the problem persists, swap in a known good module to isolate hardware failure, or consult a professional repair if desoldering and board-level fixes are required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.